Okay, let's create grapes here. So we need to inflate a balloon like this. Okay, just create many 1-inch bubble as possible. Okay. Okay, I think we created enough for this balloon figure. Now, put it all together. Just like this. Put it all together. Okay. Put it all together slowly, carefully. Now we created a shape of a grapes. Just like that. Now we need the leaves. Just create 3 leaves for this. Now, using this extra ends, just wrap this around here. And instantly, we have grapes. Hope you liked it. Hope you appreciate this. Thank you so much.